Welcome to CAD/CAM laboratory. The experiment number 2 is creation of 3D assembly model of screw jack. A screw jack is a mechanical device. It converts rotational motion into linear motion. The applications of screw jack is it is used for industrial machinery applications such as lifting and positioning heavy equipment. In automotive industry, used in some vehicle lifting systems. In construction, used in construction equipment such as cranes. So these are the applications of screw jack. This is the details of screw jack. So totally 7 components is there. First one is body, and second one is spindle, screw washer, tummy bar, screw, cup, nut. So these are the parts for screw jack. So first complete the body of the screw jack. First, open Create Parametric software. Choose the view. I choose front view. Go to sketch and change the orientation. And first start this line. Center to this point is 100 mm diameter. Close this one. So choose line option. So this value is 50. This value is 20. Value as well 20 mm. So 20, 20, 20. So this distance is 20, 20. This point distance up to 20 mm. Then draw a line. We draw the profile. Then vary the dimension. This point 2, the total height is 185. Give the dimension. Choose it normal. This point 2, total height is 185, and this value is length is 40. Over 0, and this length is 3 mm. Again, this point to center point 67. This point to center. The value is 67. 67 divided by 2. So again, this value is total value is 70 and this value is 50. So minus 70 minus 50 is 20. So one side is 10. So consider right side. Draw a line. Line distance is 10 and draw a line. So draw a straight line and draw a parallel line. And do normal. This distance, the parallel line length is distance is 10. So distance is 10. So delete line. So line distance is 3. B3. Connect these two lines. I'm choosing build option. Now the entire part is created. Give OK. Now use the revolve command and choose the revolve axis. Choose the center axis. So the outer body is created. Then using round option, choose the edges. Give OK. So the outer body is created. Next video, to draw the screw spindle. Thank you.